Please stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Are you Boban? Yeah, I don't know why I did that. A lot of Sri Lankan YouTubers do that, so I just did that. You know what? Why not? So, anyways, hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we're gonna be doing something different. Today we're gonna be doing something that's not related to web, not related to Arduino, but it's related to database management systems. So today we're gonna be doing some question set. Uh, so there are like 5 question sets. So I'll be making 5 videos about it. This is the first one. So first in this video we'll be talking about the question set one of all the questions. So without further ado, let's get to the questions. Alright, so here we are at the question set 1. So first, let's read the description right here. The data of all the students and teachers of Bindu Mahavidyalaya are stored in books. As a result, some data has been destroyed. Therefore, the principal of the school has decided to enter the data of all the students and teachers in the school into a computer software. The software is commissioned by AI Soft. Assume you work as a software engineer for that company, and the part you are assigned is to create the database. To do this, create a database using the information below. Right. So here we got. So let's go to the first question.
Please stop.
Alright, so the first question we have is called create a database called SchoolDB to store the teacher and student data. Right, so for this we'll open our MySQL Workbench, as you can see. So we'll make an ER diagram for this. So we'll go new model. Right, here we are. Sorry, it takes a while. My computer's a bit of a potato, you know. Right, so we'll click here on MyDB. We'll rename it to SchoolDB. And now we will create an ER diagram. Alright, so here we are. We did the first question. Now let's move on to the second.
Please stop.
Right, so the second question here, it says create a table called student to store the student's data and follow the instructions below to create this table. So here we have the student table right here, table name student, column name, data type, and the data length. Right, so first in the column name there's index number, which is varchar 10, first name varchar 45, last name is also varchar 45, gender is varchar 10, contact number is also varchar 10, and an address is also varchar 60. Right, so let's create this table. And there we go. This table. Now let's make it into the student table. Come on. Alright, there we go. We'll name this student. Now first is our index number. We'll keep it varchar 10. Varchar 10. We'll make this our primary key, and now we'll make the next one, which is the first name. First name. And of course, we'll keep this not null, and this is watcher 45. And of course, next one is the last name. Oh, sorry, I spelled that right there. Right, last name. There we go. And of course, the next one is going to be, what was it? Gender, contact number, and the address. Right. Silly me. Of course, we got gender. Nope. Gender. We'll make it 10, like the other one. 10, 10. Nope, not the whole thing. Right, and we got the next one, which is the contact number. Number. We'll make it also 10. Number 10. And of course, then the next one is, what is it? Yes, the address. Oh, what happened there? Ooh. Address. We'll make this one 60. And there we go. We have our student table. There we go. So now that the second question is done, let's go to the third one.
Please stop.
Right, so now we're at the third and final question. Create a table called teacher and store teacher's data. Follow the instructions below to create this table. Right here we got the teacher's table name teacher, column name, data type, and the data length. First column is teacher registration number, watcher 10. Then there's the first name, watcher 45. Last name, watcher 45. Gender, watcher 10. Contact number, also watcher 10. And email, watcher 50. Right. Now let's create the table. Go. Come on. Right, now let's call it teacher. First one is going to be teacher registration number. Oh, misspelled teacher there. Silly me. We'll make this watch at 10. We'll make this our primary key. Then we have the first name. Right. Oh. That's the name there. First name. Of course, then we got the last name. Last name. We'll leave that also at 45. Of course, next, what was it? We had, oh yeah, gender, contact number, and the email. Gender is also 10. And of course, the contact number next. Contact. Oh. Contact. Which is also 10. And of course the final one, which is email. And this one is gonna be watcher 50. Of course, now that we're done, we have our, whoops, sorry, teacher's table complete. There we go. Now we've done both our student table and teacher's table. And now that all our questions are complete, we're not going to go into the end of the video, but first, there's something we have to do. And that is forward engineer this whole thing. Alright, so now we're going to be forward engineering this thing. Now, let's go to database. Nope. Forward engineer. And of course we have it right here. We put store and vault. You give your password right here. You click OK. After that, next. Next again. And again you click next. Of course next again. And now it says forward engineer finished successfully. Let's close this. We'll go to a Heidi. Now that we're in Heidi, we'll refresh the database site. And there you go. There's the school DB database. And of course within that, there's the two tables. The student table and the teacher's table. And right here you can see the student table right here. Of course with all the things we just inserted in it. And then there's the teacher table right here, as you can see. Right, so now that we forward engineer this, let's go to the end. Alright, so everyone, now we're here at the end of the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found this video entertaining and helpful. So if you guys ever get this type of question in like an exam or like a test paper or anything like that, you guys can do it perfectly fine by your own. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.